Do you ever feel like a great thought pops into your head just a beat too late in a conversation? Or do you worry about interrupting or coming across as awkward? You're not alone. Many introverts, despite their rich inner worlds, struggle with saying the right thing at the right moment. But guess what? You can use some remarkable tricks to master the art of timing in conversations and become a confident communicator, even if you're not the life of the party. Tip number 1, listen closely. For introverts, active listening is a gift. Before you jump in, take a moment to truly listen to what the other person is saying. Pay attention to the flow of the conversation and the topics that pique their interest. This will empower you to formulate your response and find the perfect opening to share your thoughts. Tip number 2, embrace the power of pauses. Silence isn't awkward, it's an opportunity. Don't feel pressured to fill every gap in the conversation. Sometimes, a well-timed pause can add emphasis to your point or give the other person a chance to elaborate. Plus, it gives you a few extra seconds to gather your thoughts and make sure you're saying what you really want to say. Tip number 3, less is more. Introverts often have a lot to offer, but you don't need to unload everything at once. Focus on quality over quantity. Think about the most important point you want to make and deliver it clearly and concisely. People will appreciate your thoughtful contribution, even if it's just a few words. Tip number 4, confidence is key. If you're feeling a little nervous, show confidence in your body language. Make eye contact and speak clearly. Even if you're shy and introverted, people are interested in someone who seems passionate and confident about their viewpoints. Tip number 5, practice makes perfect. The more you practice projecting and articulating your points, the more comfortable and confident you'll become. Role-play conversations with family and friends without necessarily telling them that you're practicing. That's your secret. It might feel silly at first, but it's a great way to identify areas for improvement and build your confidence. Practice is essential to mastering any skill. Remember, not all conversations are the same. You might find it more comfortable to engage in a one-on-one conversation with a close friend than in a large group setting. And that's perfectly fine. By finding situations where you feel at ease, you can gradually expand your comfort zone over time, feeling less pressured and more confident in social interactions. Remember, you have valuable thoughts and ideas to share. By using these tips for timing and communication, you can overcome those awkward moments and leave a lasting impression on everyone you meet. Are you looking for more introvert-friendly communication tips? Check out The Power of Timing: How to Say the Right Thing at the Right Moment by clicking the link below.